Hi everyone, my name is Reese and I'm the National Operations and Training Manager here at Shaver Shop. I'm involved with bringing new and existing products to life with our store teams so that they can recommend the right product for you. Today we're taking a look at the new Silkin 7. This is a brand new IPL addition to the lineup. Let's open it up and take a look at what you get inside. Checking out the case and the product inside, it's a very solid case, so this really protects the product. So when not in use, it's going to be well looked after, including the 3 lenses. And inside we have the main attraction, the IPL device itself. This is the latest and greatest from Silkin. It has a really unique design feature with a swivel handle. So with this, you can press the lock button here and you can pick between 6 different click settings. So it'll click in at 6 different angles. This really allows you to use the product at different ways and different angles, making it suitable for the face, armpits, bikini line, legs, arms. You can use this product on any part of the body. On the product, you'll see a number of buttons and these are all involved in the function. To start with, we have the on-off switch on the top here, and above that, you'll see 5 little indicator lights. This allows you to choose between different settings. So you can either manually choose between settings, or you can automatically allow the skin tone sensor to choose the right setting based off your skin tone. The lighter the skin tone, the higher the setting, the darker the skin tone, the lower the setting. On the front here, you'll find the trigger button. This is what you're going to press to discharge the flash. So you can place it on and press the button to flash, or you can press and hold and glide for covering large areas quickly and efficiently. On the top, you'll see the main lens. This is the wider lens. There's 3 lenses included. We're going to take a look at each of those, and each lens is designed for a different area. Let's take a look at what else we get inside the pack. First off, we have the power cord. This unit is a mains operating unit, so it does have to be plugged in all the time to use. The benefit of this means you never have to worry about whether it's charged or not, and it also makes the device light up by not having a battery inside. Plus, you'll generally be using this product at home, so no issues being a corded unit. You'll see here we have the power brick and the wall plug. Simply take the wall plug and slide it into the power brick, and you'll get this nice reassuring click, and that lets you know it's ready to use. Plug it into any power point with the other end plugging directly into the unit. Returning to the box, we have 2 caps. These are the smallest cap and the medium cap, as well as the larger that comes on the unit. And you can see there's quite a difference between these. The smaller cap is designed for small areas, including the face. The medium is good for medium areas, so you can use this on armpits, bikini line. And then the larger head is really well suited to large areas like legs and arms. You'll see in each head 2 types of technology that really make this product easy to use and innovative as well. The first are contact electrodes. So you'll see the 4 corners here have 4 different electrodes, and 3 of 4 of these need to be in contact with the skin surface in order for discharge. This achieves 2 things. First off, it makes it safer to use, but also means that all the energy is going to be transmitted into the hair follicle, which is where we want it to go in order to bring that hair follicle to a resting state. The second type of technology is galvanic. So with this, you have a contact patch around the head itself and also have a contact on the side of the handle here. When you're holding this and this part is in contact with the skin, it creates a circuit. And what this does is open the skin and open the pores in the skin, which allows more energy from the light to be absorbed into the hair follicle, making it more effective. Returning to the box, you'll see here we have a razor. It's important with IPL to remove the hair from the skin surface prior to use. This allows more of the light energy to transmit into the hair follicle where it's going to do what you want it to do. Also included in the box, you have a clean lens cloth. You want to use this on the lenses just to remove any buildup on them and make sure that they're able to maintain full contact with the skin surface. The Silkin 7 is innovation at IPL, providing cutting-edge technology in an easy-to-use form factor that delivers quick and efficient results. You have the different attachments, the unit itself, and the case. It really does offer everything you need in a high-end, high-performing IPL device. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out the rest of our YouTube channel for other great videos and click the subscribe button below if you want to get notified when we publish new content.